Okay, we're gonna draw a dome camera fixture or a ceiling. Okay. So there's the camera. Let's draw a rectangle. Oh, let's change the layer to make it visible. And then let's make a center line so we can simply mirror things. So line there, mirror, and then connect. And then here, it's not sitting right there. So okay, mirror, and connect. And then let's put it there. Mirror. And then let's have something here for the camera. A reference. Let's mirror this small line and so we can finish that. Okay. And then I'm gonna make a circle. I think it's here for the camera. Crap. Okay. Circle. 2 points. There, perpendicular. Won't. Well, there's something wrong with the pasting of the image. It's not centering, but let's try that again. Mirror. It's not centering. Alright, let's try that again. Circle, 2 point, perpendicular, and then put that down there. Okay. And then this line, I will simply project it around the circle and then cut the circle. Okay. Right there. And then right there. Okay. This will be an ellipse command. You don't have to be exact, since this is just a copy clip. A reference for the product itself. Okay, so now we can move this out, and that's it. Oh, I forgot. There are lines here. Okay, that's it. Move this out. And then from this point on, we can project that. Since this will be a circle, I'm going to do a 2 point circle. Okay. this will be a circle, 2 point, that in the circle here, and then circle, 2 point, there's a repetition, put it in the middle, and then circle, 2 point, circle, 2 point, let's make it fast, circle, 2 point, okay, put them in the center, let's do center.
Sorry, I lost the audio, but I'm just going to try and say what I'm doing while watching it. So I'm changing the layer now to light layer, but actually it's not a light, it's a camera. But for drawing purposes, I'm just going to change that. You can change it whatever you like. So I'm changing this to a lighter layer because I want it to be seen popping out from the black AutoCAD background. So now I'm changing, so if the bright layer is a thick layer, I'm changing it to a different color to show that it's a thin layer because it's not something that's in front. Okay, whatever is gray is a thin line. One of the line there, that one, is the bottom of the camera, which won't be seen when you're looking on top of it. So that needs to be erased. Sorry, that's my bad, putting that there. Okay, so I'm matching them now. So I'm copying that down. It doesn't matter where you put it, so it's just a representation of the fixture. There. So now it's time to make it into a block. So we changed the layer to a dome, camera dome. So now we're making it into a block. Now it's up to you where you want to put the base point. So I'll put mine on the base of the camera that attaches to the ceiling. It's up to you if you want to put it in the middle of the plan, but I'll show you why. Okay, blocking it to a dome camera block, and then going inside the block, we need to make a visibility feature to do a visibility feature. I'll put it there, and then rename the visibility to plan and elevation. I guess you already know which one is plan, which one is elevation. Okay, so I'm on the elevation right now, and I'm going to make the plan invisible, and then go to the plan, and then make the elevation invisible, and then rearrange it so that the center of the plan sits on the 0, 0 layer, which is the insertion point, absolutely. I'm in elevation, it goes like that. Okay, let's exit out, save. Okay, now that's our black plan. But if I draw a ceiling panel, ceiling, and then hatch it. That makes it appear like there's a texture on front of the ceiling, on the surface of the ceiling. You would see the light like it's on the back of it, and it doesn't matter if you click the draw order, it still looks like on the back of it because the hatch goes in it. So there's another option where we could put a wipeout. We go inside the block and change the layer to wipeout. Let's create a polygon. Polygon with 36 sides, and then create it from the center of the 0, 0 insertion point. And it doesn't matter if it's circumscribe or inscribe, as long as it's on the edge of it. So there it is. Let's move it out so we can edit it and make it using the wipeout command. Okay, move it out, and we'll do the wipeout command. Polygon, polyline, that's a polyline, and no. Erase the polyline, yes, yeah. So it's now that invisible. We'll put it on the back order, on the back, and then put it back where the circle is. Yeah, so now it's there, but you cannot see it. But it's on the back of the image. So if we go out, save it, like that. So view region, now it goes in front. Or you can draw order in front again if that's not clear. So if I made that ceiling line and put it there at the bottom of the ceiling line, change it to elevation, it was like that. Okay, so that's it. That's how you make the fixture block with Wipeout.
Okay, to make this thing a step further, well, yeah, well, I wanted to reiterate this is just for video purposes, so we don't have to put them on the right dimensions. You can put yours on the right dimensions because it's going to take the video longer. Okay, in order to make the black better, we're going to put hatching. Now the hatching, I made a video of it, how to make it into a block.
I'll place a link on the description below on how to make that hatching block.
So I don't know if that's what you want, but that's how I make it. Explode. Okay. So let's try and make this thing look nice by trimming them. Nice. So let's have this. And then, since this is glass, let's make something like a glass. hatching. Okay. Now it's up to you if you want to put here, but I wanted to make it as just to show you how to step up the block. If I plug that thing.
And of course, you need to paste this hatching inside the block so it's there every time you insert it.
PDF. Monochrome. No. Preview.
Print preview using monochrome don't let you see the line thickness, so I'm changing it to a different flat style.
Let's try and preview that. Let's see. That's applying the line thickness there. Okay. Then, okay. That's it. Please like and subscribe. Helps the channel. You have a good day.